Wow, here they are, fully feathered. Sweet as sweet can be. One is still available at this moment. The gray one, grayish blue, is taken. And there's that baby. And things can change, but at this point that one is taken. And this little blue one here, who is a little more shy, is taken. And see if you can see that pretty face. I know, you're a little more shy, aren't you? I know, honey. Come here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I know. Yeah. But we're not going to look up at me. There you go. A little more shy. And this green one is available. Now that could change by the time you see this video, but they are going to have more babies. This is the babies of Princess Sue and Hulk. And what's going to happen is I'm going to let them go again. And probably then give them a little rest. But at this point, this is the only baby that's available. And that's the oldest, I think. They're in a sink. Safest place for them right now. But the little blue one, very, very shy. You're okay. Yeah. Hey. Put your head up. Yeah, you're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Come on. We have to get your shyness out of you. Yeah. Your mommy can't wait to get her hands on you. And you too, baby. Oh, you're going to primp? You got a primp? Hmm? Yeah. Oh my goodness, what was that in your mouth? Just beautiful. So sweet. Okay, so it's Kiku and Hoshi Dumon on Facebook. I do have all different kinds of species. Hand feed, also allow parent raised. Check me out on YouTube. Maybe you're finding this on Facebook. Lots of other videos. And last but not least, I do ship. And tweet. Oh, and let me add that the next pair of my budgies that are not related, they are having eggs right now. Yeah. So that would be Blue Boy and Seraphina. So they're next. Thanks for watching.